Hey there, welcome to Fix Netflix. If you're dealing with the frustrating PS5 error code CE-108262-9, don't worry, I've got you covered. This error usually indicates a problem with system software or application data. But I'll walk you through 5 simple fixes to get your console running smoothly again. Stick around till the end for a bonus troubleshooting tip. Let's get started. Fix 1. Restart your PS5. First up, the easiest fix: a simple restart. If this error is preventing access to your system or apps, just turn off your PS5 and restart it. Sometimes, all it takes is a quick reboot to clear temporary glitches. But if the issue persists, move on to the next step. Fix 2. Turn off HDMI device link. Did you know that your PS5's HDMI device link feature might be causing this issue? This feature lets your TV communicate with your console, but it can sometimes create conflicts. To disable it, go to Settings, navigate to System, then HDMI, and turn off the Enable HDMI device link option. If the error still pops up, let's try another fix. Fix 3. Disable Rest Mode. Rest Mode is a great feature that lets you pause your console while saving power, but some users have reported that it causes system issues. To disable it, go to Settings, then go to Power Saving. Go to Rest Mode and turn it off. Once that's done, restart your console and see if the error is gone. Fix 4. Update your PS5 system software. Keeping your PS5 software updated is essential. Sony frequently releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, go to Settings, then go to System, then go to System Software, then go to System Software Update and Settings, then select Update System Software. Install any available updates. Then restart your console. Fix 5. Rebuild database. If your system files are corrupted, rebuilding the database might fix the issue. To do this, boot your PS5 into safe mode by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Then, select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. This can resolve many system-related errors, so give it a shot. And there you have it, 5 effective ways to fix PS5 error code CE-108262-9. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact PlayStation support for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!